Good day, class. Today, we will learn how to graph linear equations in two variables. Our objective is for you to graph a linear equation given A. Any 2 points, B. The x and the y intercepts, and letter C. The slope and a point on the line.
Given 2 points, number 1, the coordinates 3, 5, and -1, -1. You know already that this is the y and this is the x and then this is the y, x, y. So, your vertical line, itong ating horizontal line, this is our x, and then itong vertical line, itong ating y. So, if this is x3, positive, so 1, 2, 3, move to the right. And then, 5, positive also, so move up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito ang tagpuan nila. Saan sila nag-intersect? At this point. Okay, and then afterwards, remove. Remove this. Okay. So, this one, -1, -1. Nasaan si -1, -1? Ito si -1 na x, and then sa y, -1. So, ito ang kanilang point. Then, afterwards, connect the 2 points. So, let's connect. There you have it. Ayan ang ating graph na given the 2 points, 3, 5, and -1, -1. Another example. You have 1, 4, and then -2, -1. So, you have the x and the y, the x and the y. X-axis, y-axis. So, 1, this is 1, and then count 4, going up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang kanilang meeting place is 1. And then, -2, -1. -2 of the x-axis, ito si -2, 1, -2. And then, -1, -1. From 0, -1 down. So, ito ang kanilang point. And then, connect the 2. There you have it. Ayan ang inyong graph. The way of graphing linear equations. So, you have given the x and y intercept. If the given is the x and y intercept, or you have the x-intercept is 3 and the y-intercept is 5, so you have the coordinates with regards to x-intercept, meaning the point lies down on the x-axis, and then y-intercept, the points lie down on the y-axis. So given the x-intercept, that is 3, and then the y is 0. Okay, because when we have 1, 2, 3, and then x is 0, the y is 0, so meaning you're going to plot your points on the x-axis, and that's how you call 3. The x-intercept is 3. So, you have there the 3, 0. For the y-intercept, ang ating y-intercept, so meaning, ang x mo ay 0, and then, ang y mo ay 5. So, from x, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, doon ka, sa y-intercept ka, or sa y-axis ka magpa-plot. So, that's why it's called y-intercept. Then, afterwards, connect the 2 points. Then, there you have your graph. Okay, another example. We're graphing, or given the x and y intercepts. So, you have 0, 4. So, 0 of the x-axis, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, -2 of the x-axis. So, you have -2. Then, connect the 2 points. You have your graph. This is given a slope and a point on the line. So, for number 1, we have y is equal to 2x minus 3. You have learned on the previous video the slope-intercept form. So, you have y is equal to mx plus b, wherein m is your slope and the b is your y-intercept. So we have here 2. This is our slope, and then this is our y-intercept. With regards to y-intercept, you know already that this must be the point will be flat on the y-axis. So you have there 0 and negative 3 because of the signs negative. And then what will be your slope? Your slope is 2 over 1. You have 2, and then the denominator is the invisible 1. Okay, with regards to the slope, you have the rise over the run. So let's plot this one first. 0, negative 3. So you have 0 of the x-axis, then negative 3 going down because it's negative. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's our first point. And then we're going to find our second point. The rise is to positive 2. So meaning you're going up. From that point, going up 1, 2. And then the run is 1. So you're going to move to the right, positive also. So 1, 2, move to the right, positive. There's your point. And then connect the 2 points. There you have it. So that will be your graph. Another one. Given the slope, which is m, is equal to negative 3, and then a point on the line, which is 4, 1. So let's do this one first. 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 1. That's your first point. And then your slope, the denominator is the invisible 1. So you have this, again, this is the rise, and then this is your run. So from your point, you're going to move up or down because it's negative, so you're going to move down. 1, so this is 1, 2, and then 3. So from this point, you're going to move 1 time to the right or to the left. So it must be to the right because it's positive. So from this point, again, from the rise, which is negative, so you're going to move down from your point. 1, 2, 3. So from this, going to the right 1 time. This will be our second point. Then let's connect the 2 points. There you have it. So that will be our graph. And this is the end of our video. Bye-bye.